Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Mini John Cooper Works. This one is green. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder with 228 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels, red big brakes, black leather interior, panorama sunroof, Clubman badging on the back, tailgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, keyless entry, power windows, memory seats, power seats, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, keyless start, touchscreen media display, navigation, rear view backup camera sensors, hard keys for the radio, dual climate controls, heated seats, auxiliary and USB ports, automatic transmission, hard keys for the infotainment center. This Mini has 52,770 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2017 Mini John Cooper Works, visit us at feldmanimports.com.